G'day guys, Dallas here from Dunn and Watson. We're just going to give you a run through today of our deluxe pantry. So we've got one here. It's obviously minus the pie oven and the microwave, but we're just going to discuss the product itself. There are other photos and videos on the site showing you all the accessories on it. So what you've got here is a 3mm construction. This is all laser cut and welded in our Brisbane workshops. This is one of our Australian made products. You're going to see here you've got on the side here, on this tracking system is your adjustable pod holder to suit the pods applicable to your coffee holder. Your tracking system in the floor is what you would strap the coffee machine down to. There's your pods machine beside it. That's if you wanted a coffee machine. Obviously you could strap anything you like there. You have large access windows on both sides. This is to accommodate the wider microwave door as well if you choose to put one of those there. You'll see you've got a shelf up the top here. This tracking system up high is where the hooks hang if you wanted to put a 12-volt pie oven on the front. You'll see it's designed to clear a lip. For install, you just bolt this base down into the floor of your canopy and away you go. Operates on 125 kilo locking slide. So the unit's locked, it's not going anywhere. When you want to open it, you would unlock the trigger. It comes out to full extension where it's locked out. You can now easily access everything. You can obviously easily open your microwave door without obstruction of your canopy. When you're done, you just press on those triggers again and you close it. You've also got the additional bench underneath. With this, you've got your tea towel holder and your hooks here for a rubbish bag or something like that. So there you have it, the deluxe pantry. If you have any questions, please give us a call or flick us an email.